Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access and a clear justification. Once you have both, document the exact app, port, and time window you intend to affect. Make sure to create a system restore point or backup current settings first so you can revert if needed. Once done, proceed only if this change aligns with policy and security best practices. Otherwise, consult your IT team to avoid exposing the PC to unnecessary risk. Rather than turning the firewall off, you should create a narrowly scoped allow rule for the required traffic. This preserves protection while enabling functionality. Make sure the rule is limited by IP range, port, protocol, and an expiration if temporary. Test the change in a controlled environment or on a single machine first so you can observe impacts without exposing your whole network. If unsure, involve security or sysadmin staff to validate the rule and confirm logging is enabled. Complete the task and then promptly revert any temporary exceptions so your system remains protected. If the intended connection still fails, review the rule's order and scope, confirm the correct port and protocol, and verify logging for blocked attempts. Make sure to check for conflicting security software that may override firewall rules. If you encounter unclear errors or security alerts, stop and escalate to your IT or security team rather than continuing to widen protections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.